Hello everyone, welcome to Move Well, Live Well. We've been having a number of people that come in with problems with their mid-back. So what's happening is that they're coming in and they're getting this tightness right in through here, just kind of like this mid-back, kind of where the mid-back meets the low back. This tightness always feels like you can't have, they're having a problem sitting upright. It's just this constant tightness. And even they're coming in with sometimes chest tightness where they feel like they can't take a deep breath. And what we're finding is, let's face it, we sit way too much. And what's happening when they're at their desk, you know, for 8 hours a day, 40 hours a week, they're in this kind of hinging right here in their mid-back. They're hinging right in this spot right here. And as they hinge all day, 8 hours a day for 40 hours, they're getting this tightness and discomfort in through there. And then what happens is their breathing becomes labored. They can't take a deep breath. And then they wonder why they're so tired all the time and they have problems with their mid-back. So this is one easy fix, if you will, to help alleviate that tightness, that posture problem in and through here, working like this 8 hours a day, 40 hours a week. So what you do is you get on the floor. It's like this. I'm going to do it this way so that way you guys can see what I'm doing here. You're going to be like face down, and you're going to put your arms up like somebody's going to rob you. So you're in this position like this. And what you're going to do is it's a chest stretch to open up the chest. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to lean, keeping this elbow down, I'm going to lean toward that side of my chest, right here, onto my side, just like this. And it opens up the chest muscle, the pec. And then you're going to do this 2 to 3 minutes. And you can mobilize in here too. You can move your shoulder, if you can kind of see that in the camera. You can move your shoulder back and forth to open that up. And then you switch sides. Same thing, in a like someone's gonna rob you position, arms up, you're gonna rotate, just like that. And then you don't have, sometimes when you do a chest stretch when you're standing up, it takes a little bit of, the effect out of it simply because you're standing up and you have to stand there. But this, you're lying down, and a lot of the weight now is right onto that chest muscle to help open that up. So now you're lying down, and it's just a much more effective chest stretch to open that up. From a side view, see if I can do this from a side view here. So now you're in this position like someone's going to rob you. And then if you're going to do my left arm over here, I'm just opening it up this way. And I can even use my leg. See my right leg here? Move up a little bit. Use my right leg here to bring that over and around. And you can get this nice stretch in the front of the chest, that shoulder, front of the chest. Excellent. Don't forget to breathe. You can use this arm to kind of press yourself up a little bit, trying to keep your upper body on the ground. You don't want to be lifting all the way up. You're leaving that body down, and you're just allowing the back arm, my hand back here, that back arm to lay there as you try to press into it. And again, you can move your shoulder around like this, nice and slow. You can move that shoulder that's down. Use that and mobilize into that chest. And then so when you're sitting, what happens as this area starts to open up, as you're sitting, you start getting into a better position to sit. And this starts to open up naturally. Because what happens is that what's happening is these folks are becoming they're starting to become permanently bent over. A lot of people think that posture, oh, I just need to sit straight and my posture will be better. Unfortunately, that's not always the case. Yeah, if you don't have postural issues, sitting up straight it's not a big problem. But if your posture is such that these muscles here in the front are starting to become permanently fixated in this position, you're going to always have chronic back problems back here. Tightness, discomfort. It's going to feel like you can't breathe. If we can change this posture, a lot of people think, oh, I just need to sit straight. But what happens if they're in this posture and they sit straight? They're just like this. The shoulders are like this, and they're always in this position here. But if we can open up the chest, see, by doing this easy stretch mobilization, open up the chest, and now your posture is such that it's more natural for you to be that way, thereby decreasing that mid-back pain, getting you into a better position to do your work. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them off in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. We appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, and share. And when you hit subscribe, make sure you hit the notifications button too, so that way you don't miss any of the videos that are coming into your subscription posts. Anyway, again, thanks again for watching. We appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.